Third question, find the sum of first 28 terms of an AP whose nth term is 4n minus 3. Okay students, find out sum of first 28 terms or total you find out. So what is the term, general term given? Nth term is 4n minus 3. Nth term is Tn. Tn general form only given. Tn equal to 4n minus 3. Find the S28 total only you find out. Okay, so Tn 4n minus 3. First of all find out the sequence. This is 3 terms only find out. So first term T1. Substitute the value n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 or 3 terms only find out. Okay, so T1 equal to, say n is substitute 4 into 1 minus 3 equal to 4 minus 3 equal to 1. Next term is a T2 equal to 4 into 2 minus 3. 4 2s are 8. So 8 minus 3 equal to 5. Next term T3 equal to 4 into 3 minus 3. So 4 3s are 12. 12 minus 3 equal to 9. First 3 terms only find out. Next one is a 28 term. So T28 find out. So T28 equal to 4 into 28 minus 3. So multiply the term. 8 4s are 32, balance 3. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3, 11. So 112 minus 3 equal to, so 12 minus 3 is a 9, 0, 1, 109. So write down the sequence. First term 1, second term 5, and then third term 9. Up to T28, last term is a 109 only given. Okay students, what is the question given? S28. Find the total of S28 total. So first term to last term, so total only you find out. So write down. So A equal to 1 and then D equal to 5 minus 1 equal to 4 and then last term equal to 109. Okay student, find out S28 only find out. So S28 equal to, what is the formula? Last term given means n, second formula only apply, n by 2 within bracket A plus n. So apply the value, n value, so 28. 28 divided by 2 into A 1 plus last term is 109. Reduce the term 1 4. So 14 into 109 plus 1 is 110. So multiply and write the answer. 1 0s are 0. Then 14 into 11. So 14, this term also 14. Add the term 5 1. So answer 1540. So S28 equal to, what is the total? S28 first term to 28 terms total equal to 1540. Fourth question, the sum of first n terms of a certain series is given as 2n square minus 3n. Show that the series is an AP. So this question, last previous question, say AP nth term or general term given, find the sum of the terms only, find out the third question. This question, sum of n terms. So Sn equal to 2n squared minus 3n is a general equation given. Show that the series is an AP. The given series sequence is an AP or not. That only check the answer. So AP means it's a common difference only you find out and check the common difference equal means write down the, it is form an AP, that only mentioned. So first of all give the values. First value is n equal to 1, mention S1 equal to 2 within bracket 1 square minus 3 into 1. So 1 square is a 1, 2 ones are 2 minus 3 equal to minus 1. That one is a first term that mentioned T1. Next we find out S2. 2 within bracket n is substitute the value 2 square. 2 square minus 3 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 3 2s are 6. So 8 minus 6 equal to 2 only. Next one is a S3. Next value n, substitute the value 3 only. 2 within bracket 3 square minus 3 into 3. So 3 3s are 9. 9 2s are 18 minus 3 3s are 9. So 18 minus 9 equal to 9. Next value, one more value S4. 2 within bracket 4 square minus 3 into 4. So 4 4s are 16. 16 2s are 32. 32 minus 12 equal to answer is 20. Okay students, so first term only find out. What is the first term? So T1 equal to minus 1. Next term is not mentioned the T2. So nth term sequence given means you mention T1, T2, T3, T4. This one is a sum of the series only given. So next one T2, how do you find out? Means T2 equal to S2 minus X1. So what is S2 given? So 2 and then S1 minus 1. The middle of the term one more minus given, minus into minus plus 1 only. 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Next term is a T3. So T3 means you mention S3 minus S2 only. S3 minus S2. So what is S3? 9 minus 2 equal to 7. Next one find out T4. So T4 means so S4 minus S3. So what is S4 given? 20 minus 9 equal to so 11. So write down the series. First term minus 1, second term 3, 7, 11 up to etc. So the term is a T1, T2, T3, T4. Mention the sequence T1, T2, T3, T4. So what is the question given? Show that the series is an AP. So AP or not, that only check the answer. So AP means find out the common difference only. So first of all, two pair of terms, find out the common difference. First pair is T2 minus T1 equal to next pair T3 minus T2. First check the two pairs only. So T2 minus T1 is 3. Middle one is a minus symbol. This number also minus into minus plus only plus 1. T3 is 7 minus 3. So answer 3 plus 1 4 equal to 7 minus 3 also 4. So common difference are equal. So common difference equal means it is form an AP. August month is a slip test 1. It's a chapter 2 only. It's exercise 2.1 and 2.2 sums only. It's a marks 25 totally 25 marks. So first row number, answer the following. So 5 question given, 5 2s are 10. First one, find the quotient and remainder when A is divided by B. So A equal to 17 and then B equal to minus 3. Second question, find all positive integers when divided by 3 leaves remainder 2. Next, third one, prove that two consecutive positive integers are always co-prime. Fourth question, for what values of natural number n 4 power n can end with the digit 6. Fifth one, if 13,824 equal to 2 power a into 3 power b, then find a and b. That also 2 mark question. Next, Roman number 2 is a 3 questions are given, 3 into 5, 15 marks. Sixth one, find the LCM and HCF of 408 and 170 by applying the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Next one is the 7th question. Use Euclid's division algorithm to find the highest common factor of 867 and 255. Next one is the 8th question. Prove that square of any integer leaves the remainder either 0 or 1 when divided by 4. So complete the test and send in WhatsApp group students. Thank you.